Hi friends, I'm Sarah Cruz with Embrace Ayurveda, and today I'm going to be roasting cumin seeds. You might have heard of cumin. It's used in a lot of different ethnic cuisines, and we love cumin in Ayurvedic cuisine as well. As you might know, Ayurveda is the medical system from India, and we acknowledge that food is medicine. So today I have some cumin seeds. I like the organic cumin from Banyan Botanicals. And I'm going to go ahead and take these seeds and dry roast them in a cast iron pan. So I'll let those roast for about a minute or so. So when you roast spices, you actually open up their potential for flavor, their potential for healing, and all of those effects. As you can see, they're starting to smoke pretty quickly. So we want the cumin to become slightly brown, but not black. We use cumin, also known as jeera, for enhancing digestive fire called agni. Cumin enhances your digestive fire. It cleanses the gastrointestinal tract. It enhances absorption of minerals and just makes your food taste better, right? So I'll take this freshly roasted cumin and transfer it into my mortar and pestle. All right, so here we have the cumin seeds in the mortar and pestle, and I'm going to go ahead and grind them while they're still warm. You can see there's some smoke and some vapors coming out. You can also use a clean coffee grinder, but I personally love to use a mortar and pestle whenever I can. There's something really satisfying about using one. So I'll grind it for about a minute as well to make sure that the seeds have turned to powder. So you want to really put your body into it. If you're grinding on a counter, you can just lean into it. The fragrance is really amazing. The whole house is getting filled with the smell of cumin. So when you're having your meal, you can put the cumin powder directly in your pot of food or your pot of soup. You can sprinkle it over your bowl of food, or you can put a few morsels directly on your tongue to support digestion. So I think that's just about right. So here we have our freshly ground cumin powder, and I'll go ahead and transfer this to a jar and use it for different meal preparations. I recommend this to a lot of my clients aiming to improve their digestion. So have fun with cumin seed. Blessings.